to take over one of the most profitable territories in the country, I'm beyond fucking upset. I'm very fucking upset. So, from now on, you're under new management. You will work for me,
video
but in
on speed
return,
versus
you'll
doing it
receive
right.
an allowance.
But it'll be alright.
Allowance?
Yes, allowance. As in, I'm allowing you to keep 10%, and I'm allowing you to keep drawing breath on this earth. Now, you either get down, or you lay down. What's it gonna be, sunshine?
This wasn't no movie. The smart thing was to say yes, get
Get
up,
up,
and leave the room.
But
then I thought to myself, what if this was a movie? Look, fuck you, fuck the plane you flew in on, fuck them shoes, fuck those socks with the bell on it, fuck your gay-ass fairy faggot accent, fuck them cheap-ass cigars, fuck your yuck-mouth teeth, fuck your hairpiece, fuck your chocolate, fuck Guy Ritchie, fuck Prince William, fuck the Queen. This is America. My president is black and my Lambo is blue, nigga. Now get the fuck out of my hotel room. And if I see you in the street, I'm slapping the shit out of you.
see you in the street, I'm slapping the shit out you.
I think this one spent too much time in the cinema. Teach this cheeky bastard a lesson. Nobody fucking move!
Oh man, this is bad.
What's this? McCarthy call for the Sopranos reunion? Do me a favour. Tell room service nobody here ordered the extra large whop with a side order of what? Whoa! Boss!
Y'all already see I
Back in
had.
'61, smoking shit on the street. Cops didn't say that. And hell, he's getting high too. Everybody was good.
Y'all already see I went over and did that on Spider Pig. I added a new extra over here. Look like the video finally finished downloading, so now I can publish this piece, right? Nah, it's still being uploaded. God damn it, Bobby. Well, let's change that. We'll just redirect. Put that in there because I already got it saved. It published. So now we got that new extra over here on Spider Pig. That's for free. So y'all know to go pick up y'all freebie over there on Spider Pig also. You dig? We got extras for free everywhere. So, you know, go get the free extra. That way your boy can, you know, get his engagement up over there. Shouts out to the Buy Me a Coffee. You know, Spider Pig got his things going. So, and that's a direct link to this Super Saturday playlist also, so that makes it even better because it's gonna get you right where you need to be with Spider Pig. Hang out with your boy on Saturday mornings. In the meantime, you know, we're gonna finish these 2 little videos and get up out of here, right? Shouts out to Spider Pig. You know, we doing our thing over there with the Buy Me a Coffee. Shouts out to the freebies. It ain't always about money, but if I do ask for something, you know, you might want it. Yeah, I remember when a dime bag used to cost a dime. Now, you know, it's $60, OG.
It wasn't a thing to do because it was a thing to do, you know. It was a thing to do because it got you high. Can you dig it?
That's why I'm doing it. I feel it. Man, you cool as shit, mister. I hate to do it, but I gotta charge it. That's $60. $60?
Yeah. And I remember when a dime bag cost a dime. You know what I mean? You know how much condoms used to cost back in them days?
How much?
I don't know. We never used them.
Let's discuss my payment.
That time is past. No 5,000 for you.
The price is 50.
How about your payment is you get to leave?
Not enough.
Now you think you can negotiate with me? I say the word, my nephews go to a certain motel, pay a visit to your daughter-in-law and your little granddaughter. What do you think happens then? Consider your position carefully.
I get my money. Or neither of us walk out of here.